In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to undo an action you have done on your Google Spreadsheets. So if you made a mistake and you want to go back, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple of different options. You can select the little back button up here, the little arrow that goes to the left. This is undo. That'll undo your last action. You can also tap the Control and Z key combinations at the same time. You may also need to do File and then see the version history if you made a mistake a while ago and you really have to go back pretty far. And then you can select a different version to restore to over here on the right panel. But that's a pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.